wonderful Saturday thing. I have someone who's trading in. We're doing a trading things in, trading things out. So a watch box showed up. But before we opened that, Sebastian saw this watch, and he was like, I really like this watch. Unrestored 6246. These are super beautifully nice movements. I mean, this one, it's kind of wistful to me. To Emery, 12/25/1973, Christmas. Love always. Janice. Anyway. These are really nice. I like them. I have another one. See, look, this is the same model, Sebastian. See, look. So that's silver and blue, and this one is brown and gold. Isn't that neat? Okay, so, and before we do get into the real video, we have to do the wrist check. Dude, what watch are you wearing? Are you wearing a watch? Where'd the watch go? The watch that you liked. Where is it? Why don't you put that watch here? Why don't you tell them why you like it?
Because it just looks so, the diapers looks orange and I just really like it.
Mm-hmm.
But I like glowing watches more.
You like glowing watches more?
Yeah.
Oh, so you like it when the lume glows. Like that. Yeah, you can see it in there. There it is, it's glowing. This SKX 011J. These they sort of never caught on. It's odd. I mean, people always there was something about them that just left people cold. And I don't exactly know why. I think if I had to blame anything, it's sort of the blobby round top metal on the hands. They should be dead flat, just like the 7548s. What?
I want to show them this one.
Oh, that is a nice watch. I forgot you liked this watch. I have to work on this watch. Titus with an Omega tuning fork inside. That's completely original. I paid like $49 for this watch. Yeah, but we have to do this one. Isn't that one cool? Just crazy 70s TV dial. I forgot actually about this one. Servicing things isn't bad. It's the adjustment after service and or troubleshooting. That's okay. Hey, Seabass, are you ready? You want to open this up? Okay, but first I have to do my wrist check. I am wearing my 6138 7000 slide rule on this isn't the correct bracelet for this model, but I like it a lot more, and it's genuine vintage Seiko, and unusually for Seiko, it's solid stainless. I don't know what it's for. I have no idea what it was for. Okay, hey Seabass, where'd you go, man? What? Oh, God, well, hey, man, you've got good taste. Well, here, okay, you can talk about this watch. This is the watch you wanted to wear.
So, actually, you have to talk about it.
I have to talk about this watch. Well, this watch is an H558. It's called an Arnie, after the action movie star Arnold Schwarzenegger. He wore one of these in a lot of his movies, and back when these were new. This is a really nice example. It's a really super nice example. Fully functional. Do you like it? I thought you didn't like watches with dive bezels.
Mm-hmm.
You do? Huh. When did that change?
I do like them now.
Okay, well that's good. I used to like things that I don't like anymore, and I used to not like things, and I do like them now. All right, so let us...
Now, let's do the watch.
Okay, you can stay here. I'll bring them to you.
Let's put them all right here.
Well, let's just hang on, okay? Let's just see what's happening.
You will like this style.
Oh yeah, isn't that pretty? Now,
I
haven't gone through. I haven't sorted these, so we are gonna.
First, let's open these ones.
What? Which one? Now.
Yeah, let's open that.
Oh wow. You want to open that one? You like that one the most? Can you get the Ziploc? Oh yeah, you got it. You got it. Good job. Oh man. Isn't that beautiful? Look, it's a Seiko liner. Really early piece. Gosh, that's so pretty. What a classy watch. Do you like this watch?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Wow.
Wait, what do you like about this watch?
I just want to...
What, you don't want to talk about this watch anymore?
Yeah, I just want to open this.
You are like a kid on Christmas, I guess. Talk about a watch. That's mind-blowing. It's like 60s space age, like city on the moon with this such a slim case and this high top. Wow, what a pretty watch. Oh, it's so much better than I ever would have imagined before it came in here. Wow, that's awesome. Whew, that is elegant. Okay.
Now this one's turn.
Ooh, well, what do we have here? Yeah, we have a Seiko 7A. Yeah, it's a 7A48. This is it's a moon phase, but it's like this wacky nautical moon phase. It's like supposed to look like a porthole or
Daddy?
something. Hang on, buddy. We're talking about this one. What do you think about this one? You're the one who chose it. Tell me what you like about it.
I like the golden moon.
You like the golden stuff? Did you see? Look, it's a chronograph.
Well,
Sebastian?
I have to show you this watch.
Okay, you have to show me that watch. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Second setting? 21 jewels? Wow. I wonder what is it? Oh, well, it tells me right there. Oh, it's a 6110. So it's like a 6119, but it has no date or anything. But wait, how can that... It must be a 6106 because the 6119 doesn't have hacking. Anybody know what that says? Anybody can read that?
Yeah.
What a beautiful piece. God, that's so neat. Oh my goodness. Now that's a watch that's just look at that thing. It's a 5.6. I wonder if the date works. I love these kind of asymmetric handsets that some of these non-lume JDM pieces do. You have the wide with the black stripe, and then the minute hand is all black. It's such a clean design. Let me just, I want to see. Yeah, the date 8 wheel is jacked on this because that's the problem with the 5.6s. So the day selector doesn't work. So I'll have to, but God, it's beautiful. Man, oh, heavens to, it's mind blowing. Okay. So wait, so tell me, I'm not going to start talking. I want you to tell me why you handed me this watch. Tell that. What do you like about it?
I just don't wanna.
You don't want to talk? Okay, well, you don't have to. It's no big deal. Do you like this watch? Look, it's like it's brand new. You know, this watch is old, too. This watch is old. Sorry about my hands, folks. I did a lot of yard work this morning. 2822. Look at that. It's so pretty. And look, this thing, what is 1989, and they're still producing this 6105 type crown with the surround. Imagine this watch, but in a man size. Just take everything and make it bigger. I'd wear it. All right. I haven't owned one of these for like 6 years. 5470 Lord Marvel 36,000 BPH. Seiko's first test of the 36,000. The one I had, it sounded, when you listened to it, it sounded like a flea tap dancing on a coffee can. Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Hi, did you sell this?
Holy cow. Oh, are you okay?
My bad.
No. Don't worry about it. That was just an empty case. There's nothing in there. It's okay. I should have cleaned that away before I put you over there.
All right.
But wait, Sebastian, what do you think about this watch?
I like the dial.
What do you like about that dial?
The silver
Hmm?
stuff. Silver stuff.
You like the silver stuff? Hang on, I want to try and experiment. I want to see if the nice people can hear the high beat.
That's so good.
Maybe. I don't know. That's just... Oh, goodness gracious, it's just exquisite. Mine was really beaten. This one's beautiful. Okay. What do you think? Oh, my gosh. It's like it's brand new. 6246 JDM Diver. This one, it's like it just... This is a boy size. I mean, you could literally, Sebastian, this is a mid-sized dive watch. It is absolutely entirely possible that when you get a little bigger that you could wear something like this easy. It'd be the right size for you and everything.
Hi.
Yes, what?
This is your favorite watch.
Is that? I did not know that. Really? This is my favorite watch. Which is interesting because I've never known of it until this very second. It's a chronograph only? 5Y23? No, that can't be right. I have to look into that one. Oh, yeah. 7838. I have a bracelet for one of these. I guess I know where the bracelet's going. This is one of the ones that it was originally, it had gold-plated bezel and stuff, and it's sort of worn off, but they look really nice. What do you like about this watch?
It's so pretty.
Is it so pretty?
But you know what's the goodest watch and bestest watch I like?
What's the goodest watch and the best watch? Okay, is that the goodest watch or the best watch?
Best watch.
That's the best watch. Okay, what's the goodest watch? And you know, there's a couple more that we haven't looked at. So maybe you should hold your judgment. I love this thing. I can't believe it's like this crazy nautical theme. There should be some oak on it somewhere. That's super cool. What you got there, buddy? Okay, you're going to tell me about it? What do we have? Ooh, it's a Seiko Chronos. Oh, God, it's in almost perfect condition. This is model J14048.